Do you have a propane generator and you're tired of carrying this around? Stay tuned. Hose to connect the generator to a propane bottle. You use a 20-pound bottle like your barbecue. A bigger one, smaller one, doesn't matter. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make this connect to the quick connect on my fifth wheel. That way I can use the onboard propane that's on my fifth wheel to run my generator. To do that, we need to remove this regulator. The RV or fifth wheel already has a regulator built in. So we need to remove this or else it's double regulating and you're not going to get enough to run the generator. These are the parts we're going to use. I'm going to remove the regulator. Use one of these adapters to adapt into this. And then on the other end, we're going to put the quick connect. Simple as that. You definitely want to use your gas tape here. Tape up these joints. Here is the adapter. Clean off the old tape here. And put the new one. And tape up this one as well. I believe someone told me once 3 reps. I know I didn't do that many on the other one. Now over to my vise to tighten these down. Here it is. This end goes into the generator. This end goes to a hose, which I have for my propane fireplace and other things I plug into my quick disconnect on my fifth wheel. And then the other end to the fifth wheel trailer, RV. That's it. Pretty easy. Cost maybe $7-8.